beautifuls, happy Wednesday and welcome to my upcycle jeans series. My name is Ayo and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful skirt. Now if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get on to materials. So I'm going to cut around here. Well, let me cut around here first, and then if it's too much I can always take out any excess. So I'm going to cut right around here. Make sure you have a sharp scissors. Mine is already getting blunt. Now, don't throw away this. Don't throw it away. It's gonna be useful for another project. That it is being opened up. I might still reduce the length just a little bit, but yeah, this is still fine. Yeah, this is still fine. All right, so 60 inches by 44 inches. That's the length. So what I'm going to do now is fold it in halves, like so, and then fold it again in halves, like so. So now this end is where I'm going to be cutting the circumference of my hip. Alright, so this is just for a better clarification in case you didn't understand the folding I was doing. Now this piece of paper is going to represent the fabric. The fabric is 60 inches by 45 inches, and what I'm going to do is fold it in halves this way, and then fold it in half this way. And now on this side is where I'm going to impute the circumference of my waist. So that's on this side here is where I'm going to impute my circumference. So what we'll do is measure the circumference, which is here to here and the other side, which in this case is about 40 inches. So what I'm going to do now is measure the radius so I would know where to cut. So what I'm going to do now is 40 divided by double of pi, which is 6.28. This would give me about 6.37 inches. So since this is jeans and it's quite stretchy, instead of rounding it up to 6.5, I will just use 6 inches. So 6 inches is somewhere around here. So that's what I'm going to do, measure 6 inches. Okay. And now I would cut that out. Where is my squeezers? So now I'm going to cut that out. So if you open that up, this is what you're going to have. Now it's better to even use a smaller radius. That way if you stretch it across your jean and it's not enough, you can easily trim it than have it too wide. But even if it's too wide, you can always also gather it as well. Anyway, there's always a solution. So now this, so I decided to opt for sewing the jean on top of the sequence so that I can frail these edges and get, you know, a nice cool effect on the skirt. So what I'm going to do, just so that it's easier for me to sew, I'm going to use a needle and thread. Sorry, I'm going to use a pin to secure the jeans to this fabric, so it's easier for me to just sew a straight line. So now that that is all done, we're going to take this to the machine and we're going to run a stitch all the way around, and after that we are going to also hem the edges of the chiffon so that it doesn't fray. So let's get onto the sewing machine. So we're going to take our time and sew the jean on top of the chiffon. You can use any fabric, by the way, you don't have to use chiffon. So remember to do a back and forth stitch to secure your weave, and take your time. You don't have to rush it, because remember this is a circle, so it's not going to be as easy as it might not be easy breezy. So check it to be sure that you have enough space on the inside, as in the chiffon is well tucked inside, and you sew. And you take your pins off as you go along. You check that it's tucked in properly. And you sew. You can see it's already framed beautifully already. So by the time I wash it, or comb it out, or wash it a couple of times, it's going to be way better. So I faced a bit of difficulties on this side, so what I had to do was to cut it and lay it like this before continuing the sewing. So I did this both for the front and the back. So I'm going to run with a black thread on this to hide this, so that it will look more symmetrical, look more uniform. So let me show you the back. So as you can see, I also did the same thing for the back. I had to cut it a bit and then overlap. Can you see the overlap? I had to cut it a bit and then overlap it before I could get it to run smoothly. All right then, so I'll show you what the final skirt looks like. Let's go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.